Look. Can't start. Let's try again. Still can't start. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front. The owner of the car originally called a tow truck, cost $800. I quickly stopped him. I said maybe I could help him out. This is the tool I brought. Generally speaking, there are two reasons why a car cannot start. No electricity, no oil spray. Let's check it out. First, check whether there is power. Let's take out the spark plug. Disconnect the connector. Loosen this screw. Pull out the ignition coil. Remove the spark plug.